So now I want to go over the schedule for the next 6 weeks. This is tentative. It could change throughout the semester, but I'm pretty sure that we're going to stick with this. And any changes that I would make would be for your benefit. I would never move something earlier or anything like that. So this first week, we have a little bit of a heavy reading load, but the chapters are short and you won't see this many readings in 1 week again. In lieu of that, I did take out the discussion board post for this week. So you can just focus on your reading and also your resume, cover letter, and references assignment. And just generally taking time to read the syllabus and figure out how to navigate our eCampus page. Week 2, we have 2 chapters, and we will also have our first exam, which will be available from 12 p.m. noon on Thursday, May 27th until 5 p.m. on Friday, May 28th. You'll have 2 hours to complete that exam, 25 questions, multiple choice, true, false matching, pretty easy. The next week, we have 2 chapters again and our second exam. Again, open Thursday at noon until Friday at 5 p.m. I know this is a quick turnaround, but these exams are not meant to be super difficult. They're just meant to reflect that you have done and understood the reading. You will also have discussion board posts and responses due Sunday at 11:59 p.m. for both those weeks as well. For week 3, I want you to contact me via email about what you would like to write about for your informative paper. You can pretty much write about anything you want. Just try to keep it related to the business and professional context. And then the next week, week 4, you'll have 2 chapters again, a discussion board post, and your informative paper will be due. The following week, you'll have 2 readings, a discussion board posts, and no assignment or test this week. Yay. But you do have to email me with your persuasive topic. Again, pretty much anything you want, just keep it related to business and professional contexts. And then the final week, we really only have 1 reading. I put this second one in here because reviewing it might help you with your persuasive paper, but you will have already read that in week 4. So really just the 1 chapter and a discussion board post, and your persuasive paper will be due as well. So that's all I really have to say about your syllabus, but please make sure you give it a read sometime this week and reach out to me if you have any questions about anything in here. So now I want to show you our eCampus page and where you can find all of your course materials for this class. So I have this in student preview mode. My eCampus looks a little bit different, but yours should look very, very similar to what I'm about to show you. So on this home getting started page, I will post this video right at the top, so you can access it anytime. It'll be there throughout the semester. And I've also provided this overview of everything that I am about to show you. So it has the textbook information, your weekly responsibilities of the reading of assigned textbook chapters, discussion board posts due Sundays 11:59 p.m., and to view the recorded lectures and slides. I've also listed all of the assignments and exam deadlines so that they're right there, very accessible for you. You don't have to open the syllabus every time to see these things. And then I'm about to go over this now, but I included a section about where to access all your course materials. So anything that you could be looking for, this will tell you exactly where to find it. Also on this homepage are the syllabus that you can access and my contact information, office hours, and Zoom link to those office hours. So now I want to go over the assignment instructions and rubrics. They're all right here for you, so you know exactly what to expect for all your assignments in this course and can plan accordingly around your summer schedule. I know it's summer and y'all are probably going to be doing stuff. I'm going to be doing stuff, but this is everything right here laid out for you so you can look at it in advance and plan around things. So here I've included some general guidelines for discussion boards. I will provide a prompt or question for you all to respond to each week. Your responses should be 100 to 250 words and incorporate content covered in the assigned textbook readings and recorded lectures each week. These posts will be graded holistically on both your quality of responses and writing mechanics. So please make sure you also respond to 1 to 2 students every week, and they are due Sundays at 11:59 p.m. This word count is not super strict. I just provided it because sometimes I find that students feel uncomfortable without some sort of guidance, but feel free to write more than that if you want to keep talking about a particular topic, or if you think you can get your point across in less than that, great. But this is a good general guideline to have at least 150 words in your response. And then you can also find the rubrics for the resume, cover letter, and references assignment that is due this Sunday at 11:59 p.m. And then the informative paper and persuasive paper later in the second half of this short semester that we have together. In this tab, video lectures and slides, you can find all of the lecture content. Chapter 1, 2, and 4 are already here for you. These are links to YouTube videos that you just click on them and open them. And then the PowerPoint slides are here as PDFs for you to access and open as well. My goal is to get these all done and uploaded as soon as possible so that you can work ahead if you so choose, but do be mindful of assignment deadlines, what content is part of which exam, and to keep up with the weekly discussion board posts because those will populate each week. So that brings me to the weekly discussion board. Only chapter 1 is up here right now, but again, we don't have a post due this week. But like I said, I did include an optional introduce yourself discussion board in here if you want to complete it. If there's anything that you want to let me know or use the space to interact with your classmates, this is the place to do it. It does not impact your grade whatsoever, but feel free to use that or not use it. I also put an introduction of myself on there in case you want to know a little bit more about me. So we also have our assignment submission portal. This is where you will submit your resume, cover letter, and references assignment, your informative paper assignment, and your persuasive paper assignment. They will all be right here, so it's quick and easy, one place to just plop your assignments in, and then you don't have to think about it again. So please be sure to upload all your assignments as either a Word or PDF document. If you have a Mac, eCampus for some reason can't handle those pages documents, so make sure that you convert it appropriately when you are submitting. Again, please note that your resume, cover letter, and references assignment is due this Sunday at 11:59 p.m. And my expectations for that are discussed more in detail at the end of the chapter 4 lecture, and you can also view the rubric in the assignment instructions and rubric if you have any questions. Please feel free to also contact me via email or pop in office hours this week if you do have specific questions about that are not answered by those materials. And finally, the exams tag. There's nothing here yet, but this is where your exams and the study guides for them will appear. So I think that is everything I had for you all. So thank you very much for taking the time to view this video and for being a part of the class. I can't wait to work with each of you. And like I said, please feel free to reach out with any questions about the course. Happy summer.